Unlock your iPhone for baby-safe play. Here's how. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Inside, find Guided Access and tap on it. Turn it on to enable the feature. Here, choose Passcode Settings and set a guided access passcode to control when it's used. Once enabled, head to the app you want to lock. Triple-click the side button or the home button on older models to activate guided access. Circle areas you'd like to disable or leave the whole screen active. After that, tap Start at the top right corner. Your screen is now locked for only one app. To exit, triple-click the side or home button again, enter your passcode, and tap End. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.